Jamaica is experiencing its lowest poverty rate in over a decade. The rate declined by 40% to 12.6% in 2018. Minister of Finance and the Public Service Dr. Nigel Clark made the announcement in Parliament on Tuesday.
Mr. Speaker, in 2018, the poverty rate was 12.6%, a decline of 6.7 percentage points relative to 2017. This is the lowest poverty rate in 10 years and represents a 40% fall in the rate of poverty in 2018 as compared to 2015. Mr. Speaker, this is the lowest rate since 2000 of poverty since 2008. This decline may be attributed to an increase in real GDP, an increase in employment, an increase in the proportion of households in the lower quintiles that receive remittances, as well as a slowing in the rate of inflation.
The finance minister outlined factors leading to the decline.
In 2018, the Jamaican economy recorded a GDP growth rate of 1.9%, the sixth consecutive year of growth and the highest annual growth rate in 12 years. The outturn for 2018 also marked the first time that Jamaica's GDP levels surpassed the levels recorded prior to the global financial crisis. The mining and quarry industry grew by 33.8% relative to 2017 and that growth in 2018 of the mining sector represented the strongest growth rate of the mining sector since 1989.
Opposition spokesman on business Mark Golding acknowledged the reduction in the poverty rate, but contended that Jamaicans are more concerned about the current economic state, which he described as dismal.
Those results are not what matter to the Jamaican people now. What matters to the Jamaican people now is what is happening now. And we have already said that the response of the government to the economic contraction is inadequate in order to provide an effective safety net to the people. And as the distress of the economic calamity that we're in soaks in to the population, day after day, the cries are going to get louder. And what we need to hear is what is to be done to get the country out of this mess and how the Jamaican people can have their hope restored and the economy can begin to recover.
The prevalence of poverty is calculated annually by the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, using the survey data on consumption expenditure. The Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions reflects the living standards of Jamaican households. It is a joint publication by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATIN, that collects the data annually and the PIOJ that conducts the analysis.